On this side of the government aid or government support, at the industry, we especially at Alta, we used as an example the situation in Brazil, in which the Brazilian government was the first one to step in with the tax and fees deferrals, especially overflight fees and other type of fees. But also right now with the BNDES loans. So just in 2 minutes, if you could briefly explain which are these type of loans and the measures that the government of Brazil already made.
Yes, very quickly. Yes. So as soon as the crisis took hold I would say in March, the BNDES, the Brazilian National Development Bank for Economic and Social Support, which is a federal government bank, it announced a program. Initially, the program was going to be for 2 billion reais for each of the 3 major carriers. That's Latam, Gol, Latam Brazil, that is Gol and Azul. The number has changed a lot over this time, and there have been many delays. The basic terms of the program are that it will be supported 60% by the BNDES, 30% by Brazilian banks, and 10% through the Brazilian capital markets, all through the sale of share warrants and perhaps debentures. There are a lot of details that have not been made public. Some of the problems with this are that the uncertainty of timing. Initially, we thought it would happen in April, then we thought it would happen in May, in June, and most recently, it is now announced that it will probably be concluded in July. Also, the interest rates are at market rates, which are not subsidized. So this is the one large example of a Latin American country that has announced support, direct support, I will say somewhat similar to the US and European countries, but not anywhere it pales in comparison to those. Now, one of our attendees has asked, why did Latam from Chile, when it filed Chapter 11, not include Latam Brazil in its filing? And the reason I mention that here is that the reason relates to the BNDES program. To remain eligible for the BNDES program, Latam wanted to keep the Brazilian operating entity out of the Chapter 11 proceeding. So it is really mainly for that reason. There are probably some other secondary reasons, but that's the main reason why TAM or Latam Brazil was not included in the Chapter 11 program.
Thank you, Ken. You were very clear on this.